All right, so questions on how do I get videos I took on my phone or on my iPad, how do I get them into Drive or on YouTube or in Classroom? So I'll start with, I have another video in Classroom, but if I go into my Google Classroom and let's say I go to my continuous learning class, I can upload a video right from my file, oops, not file, sorry. Pick a photo, it says pick a photo, but it could be videos as well. And I just pick that and I choose. So that's how you can put it right in your classroom. Another option, if you want it on your Drive, is when I click on Drive, I hit the plus and I can upload a file. So let's say I want to upload, oh, and you might have to allow access, but let's say I have this video, I press upload. It will take a minute. I would probably want to rename it, but I can put it right in Drive and then I can share it from Drive. So I would just need to find it. There it is. I can share, get the share link, so I can do it to my Drive that way. Or you can put it right on YouTube. So if you have the YouTube app, and once again, I'm doing this on my phone, but you could do this on your iPad as well. If I go to YouTube, and up here at the top, there is a camera button. You can record, go live, or just choose an already existing video. So like this was a tutorial video I made earlier. I can just put that. So I want to show how to use Google Classroom. Next, I would name it. So I'd name this, Google Classroom. Put a description, say who it's for public, and then I'd press upload. So once again, there's 3 different ways. You can go Classroom, go YouTube, or Drive. Any of them work. You will need to sign in, so you need to download these apps and sign into them. I was already signed in, but that's how you can upload videos.